really fast, but someone said, how about return? I already showed you the return on that. The net profit of $8.59 per mug. All right, that was the return. All right, so let me show you how this whole process works. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close out of my slides right here. All right, as you see, and I'm going to show you an example in Amazon. So to make this, I don't want to keep you guys here and for hours on and hours. I want to show you how easy this can be done. And I did some pre-work in the beginning. So before the training, I went in, I did a search for funny coffee mug for sister. All right. So you can go in here later and do things. I don't want you to do it now, but go through Amazon, Etsy, and we can put things in there like this: funny coffee mug, gift for sister. I like to do things that are long tail, longer, more than 2 or 3 keywords. If I just did funny coffee mug, it's going to be very generic. I like to be more specific, and I will share with you more later about how we can use this to better rank our own products. But let's see what the results are for funny coffee mug gift for sister. All right, so we'll scroll down here. It always comes up sponsor ads first. And what I usually do is I like to try to find mugs that are selling at or above the price that we want to sell it at. So $14.95 is a typical price that we want to sell our mug for. All right, so we can see this is above, and that's, well, we're not going to make that. It's a Lego one. But this one here, best crazy little sister ever. Very easy to make this design. And if you don't know yet, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do that. $14.99. And I have this little cool app here on my Amazon that shows me, what it's ranking for. And I can tell you that with 10,147 in kitchen and dining, that this mug is selling probably, 30 to 50 to 60 a day. All right, that's selling a lot. So we can go down here, $14.95, $49. See, it's just very easy. Text designs here. Scroll down here. They're all above our target price. This one's a little lower, but that one's really not that good. It's hard to see that. Being my sister is really the only gift you need. Love you. All right. And that's not even a personalized one. We can make things personalized. I'm going to talk about that at another time. All right. But I come down here, best crazy little sister. There's that one again. There's even a video that's showing up right there. I do not spew profanities. I enunciate them clearly, like a effing lady. Oh, that's great. But look at that. That's got tons of reviews. Anyway, I just want to show you how many of these things are selling like crazy with this simple little search. Look at this one, world's okayest sister. It has 124 reviews, and it is ranking almost under 13,000. Again, this is doing probably 50 sales a day, all right, on Amazon right now. So I said, all right, let me just do another one here. I went into Amazon and I did a search for congrats coffee mug. I wasn't even specific about congrats for what, all right? It could be congrats for graduation. It could be congrats for your marriage. It could be congrats on whatever, your promotion, all right? So I said, that's even generic, but let's do congrats coffee mug. And I just did this for the first time. I actually never searched this one before. So look what comes up. Sarah, congrats grad. Now this is a personalized mug. All right, selling for $15.87. And I could show you all day long how to easily put this on a mug. You basically you do this design with this text, and then they just put in the name. All right, and we can do that very easily. Look at this. Every end is a new beginning. All right. Look at that's so easy to make that. It's selling for $19.25. All right, congrats. Was it chef or chief? I'm not even sure. Chief. All right, very easy. I don't know if this one's selling. I don't see any reviews on that one. So let's scroll down a little bit more here. Congrats, you did it. All right, this one's selling 75,000. This one's maybe doing like 4 or 5 a day. There's not selling that many. Let's scroll down, see what else we got here. Great moms get promoted to grandma. That's pretty cool. Look at this, $18.99. And has 80 reviews, 19,000 in the ranking. So this one is selling a lot. This one's probably selling 25 to 40 a day right here. All right, coffee because adulting is hard. That was a little less in price, so I wouldn't target that one unless I saw other ones that are showing that those kind of designs are selling for a higher price. All right, we don't want to be undercut. But as you see, there's a lot of different opportunities here. What I did was I said, okay, let me target this one. Great moms get promoted to grandma, because I like that. And this is selling really well, and I like the price tag on it. So I'm going to share with you a little secret right now. I'm not going to be able to show this part of it to you live because it is done on our cell phone. All right. So on a smartphone, I downloaded this little cool app. It's called WordSwag. If you guys listen to my podcast with Anik, and I think he showed you before you guys got on to our training, that if you saw this, I went through and explained more about this WordSwag. But I have this on my phone. It is, you can either use a free version or a very whopping $5 per month, which is what I choose to do because I want to get all options to that. So prior to this training, before I came on with you right now, I went through